Hey everybody, welcome back to the garage. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please go ahead and click on subscribe and also click on the bell to receive all the updates and activities on my channel. So for today's project on this 2019 Polaris EVO, in the previous video we studded the track. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and click on the playlist and you can see the process to stud the track. Alright, so for the next project in the evolution of this EVO, we're going to be installing mirrors. Alright, so some people don't like mirrors. I personally do like them, and you know, again, my daughter's going to be riding this sled, so I want her to have the ability, because she's going to be in the middle of the pack, I want her to have the ability to know that if she looks in the mirror, you know, either myself or my wife is behind her, just to give her a little bit of reassurance of, as far as, you know, she's still within the pack and she's safe. So with that being said, why don't we go over to the bench? I'll show you what we're gonna install, and we'll go from there. All right, so this is what we bought. This is the standard mirror kit that's available from Polaris. This is specific to the Pro Ride chassis or the Indy. What I'll do is I'll put a link to the part number from Polaris in the description so you can check it out on your own. Alright, so to install it, it's pretty easy. All you're going to need is a drill. You're going to need an 11mm socket. You're going to need a T27, and you have the hardware. So we should be able to do this just by removing the side panels and then going from there. So let's get over to the sled and start installing these mirrors. So if you look on the mirror, there's essentially a body line on the mirror that corresponds with this indentation. So all you're gonna do is take the mirror, you can slide it up until it meets that indentation. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your drill and then drill the hole. So the drill that we're using is a 17/64 drill, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna line it up. Okay, there's the first hole. So what I'm going to do now is, so I don't worry about this shifting around, I'm going to go grab the first bolt and I'm going to secure the mirror to the sled. Okay, so we've grabbed the mirror. We have our first fastener. We're going to go through. And what we're going to do is we're going to reach under. We're going to find the bolt. Alright, so the first one's on there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna tighten that down. Alright, so now I'm gonna reach under with my 11mm socket. I'm gonna find the nut. And there it is. I'm gonna take my T27. Alright, so the first one's on. Alright, so now that the first one's on, we can go ahead and do the other two without the fear of it moving around and screwing up our location of our holes. Make sure there's nothing in our way. Alright, do that one. Swing the mirror out of the way. Right, so the same thing. Alright, so there you go. We have the left hand mirror installed. We're going to go over and pop over on the right hand side and do that one as well. There's a same cutout or shape that corresponds with the body line of the hood. And all you're gonna do is you're just gonna do the same thing. You bring it down, it kind of lines itself up. And we're gonna do the exact same thing we did for the other side. All right, so after about 15 minutes, literally, the mirrors are on. It's very easy, very simple. Polaris couldn't make it any easier for us, all right? So just to give you a little bit more detail, as far as the body line, that's what we're talking about. You know, very easy to do. Foolproof, all right? There you go. Everything just lines up. You just line it up, drill some holes, install the fasteners, and you're good to go. So yeah, so at this point, this project is done. I will admit, right now with the low windshield and the mirrors, it does kind of look kind of goofy. But you know what? Where that windshield is going to get replaced for a mid-height, and it'll look fine. All right. If there's any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comments box. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And as always, thanks for watching and have a great day. See ya.